Hi and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates, Lady Joyful here, and today I am unboxing the Love from Lizi June card kit. This time around we have a 12x12 bag and the embellishment bag. Last time we had, I think the bigger bag was an A4 bag, but this time it's 12x12 and we will start with that one. We have 3 sheets of 12x12 paper, 2 of which have cut parts on them. So this one is, I believe it's 3-inch square pieces, and then the back side is this kind of button patterned paper. Then we have a sheet with larger cut parts, and these are almost card front size. There's been these sizes in previous kits, and they do make nice focal panels for your card fronts. And again, the back has just pattern paper, and then the third large piece has words, pattern paper words with words on, and then this kind of rainbow pattern. And then we have these letter size, and these are for making, you can use these for your card bases. That's what I will be doing with mine. So we have this, which is sunshine yellow. Then we have a medium grey, white, which is Copic friendly, sky blue, and cerise pink. So you can use those for your card bases, and you will get 2 card bases from each, which gives you your 10 cards. Then there is this specialty card. There's dark blue pearlescent card, and you can use this for card bases as well. It's a good weight for card bases. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can catch the sheen on camera, but it's a very pretty colour, that one. And then there's also this silver mirror card. Very shiny mirror card. We have some chipboard this month, and these are, they have adhesive backs. So they're effectively stickers. They're nice and thick, and they can make a good, this for example could make a good focal element on your card. So again, there's some images, and this fits with the cut apart image on this sheet. The same style, same image. And then there's a sewing machine, a camera, scissors, measuring tape, lots of different things. We have the 6x6 papers, and these are Longthorn's Got to Have Gingham pattern papers. So there's 2 in each colour, and they go different directions. So there's kind of straight, vertical and horizontal, plaid or gingham, and then there's the ones that go diagonally, and there's a variety of different kind of pastel-y colours. A nice purple, corally colour, a yellow which is very nice, it's kind of a sunny yellow, and a grey. So that's those ones. There's some lilac peel-offs, and it comes in 3 different widths. There are 2 little sticker sheets, and your kit may have different sheets than mine. There are 8 sheets total, and they've just been divided up between all the kits, so each kit will have 2. If you really like the stickers, you can order them as an add-on, and if you're a subscriber, your add-ons get added to your kit. If you order add-ons before the kits are shipped out, they will be added into your kit, so you don't have to pay extra shipping. So I have a sheet with some different words on them, and a few little hearts and arrows, and then some little square stickers. Next we have the stencil, and this is a plaid, however you want to say it, builder stencil, so you can make these kinds of patterns. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different widths. There's a very wide one and a very narrow one, and then there's one which is kind of like a stitching line. It's called Pretty Plaid. And you also have the inner pieces to, not to the stitching, but to all the other lines you have the inner pieces, which is very handy for if you want to create a pattern and you only want, for example, this width, you can piece the other ones back in and have them held in place with some washi tape or something, and then when you're ink blending, it's effectively masked off the other ones, so you're not getting ink where you don't want it. Of course it is possible to just mask off with washi tape or post-it tape, but then you have to keep changing the tape, so this way there's a bit less wastage. So there's those, and of course you can use them separately for masking things off without inlaying them to the stencil. There's lots of different ways you could do that. Then we have the stamp set. I think this was called Crafty Girl. No, Maker's Gonna Make stamps. And Lizi drew these herself. And the idea is that they fit together. So you can put, there are 2 different hairstyles you can put on her. You can give her eyelashes, you can give her plumper lips. There's 3 different earring designs, and they are actually, each side earring is connected. It's one stamp, so it's perfectly spaced to add on to her ears. There's glasses, a necklace, there's a pearl necklace, and then these 2, this one and this one, they are necklines to add an outfit to her. And Lizi has said she may well expand this set in future. Someone in the Facebook page asked about having a tiara, for example, to add to them. So there may well be future stamp sets that would coordinate with this one so that you can do more with her. And there are some different sentiments, 3 different sentiments. So there's Crafty Girl, Perfect Just As You Are, and Happiness Looks Gorgeous on You, which has 2 little hearts either side. So that is the stamp set, and that's everything that was in the 12 by 12 bag. So then we are going to move on to the embellishment bag, and I will start with the ribbons because that's what I got to first. So the ribbons are all 1 meter long this time. We have this grosgrain ribbon with 1 inch markings. It's like a, I have mine upside down. It's like a tape measure, so marking inches along, which goes well with the crafty theme. There's this gingham or plaid ribbon in a kind of purpley colour. And then there are these 2 organza ribbons. We have a navy and a white, and they are organza with a satin edge and then a silver kind of inner portion. I really like the navy ribbon, that's a lovely colour. Very pretty. So that's the ribbons. There's also this trim, which is kind of soft lilac colour and it has hearts along the end. And this is, I guess it's organza with a kind of satiny edge. And the hearts are what it inspired the hearts on this sentiment. And that's very pretty, and that would look nice layered up with some of the other ribbons. Like this, for example. You could even maybe put that gingham one along the centre. That's very pretty. Then we have a bag of embellishments. I take out the little bows first. These match this ribbon here. They're slightly wider, but they do go with it nicely. So there's 3 of those, 3 bows. And then you get a little sheet of 5 stars, glittery stars, and these are adhesive backed, and they look almost like they're made of little diamonds. I don't know if you can catch that on camera. They're very sparkly little hearts. And on the subject of hearts, you also get these little heart charms, little silver charms that say "Made with Love," and they are double-sided, so it doesn't matter if they flip around on your project because they have the wording on both sides. So there's 3 of those, and you could, they are just about small enough that you could use them as a necklace on the Crafty Girl from the stamp set, I think. There's those. We have Nouveau drops again. These are crystal drops. The last few kits we've had jewel drops. Jewel drops are translucent and the crystal drops are more of a solid colour, I guess. So the jewel drops take 48 hours to dry and the crystal drops dry faster. They dry in just 24 hours. So this is liquid mercury, this colour, so kind of silvery. Then we have the sequin mix, which is called, let's see, Midnight Lagoon sequin mix, and their colours are based on the colours from the rainbow 12 by 12 paper. These bottom 3 colours, it kind of coordinates with those. Do I have that high enough up? Yeah. So you have the kind of a navy blue and some lighter blues, and then some kind of pearly and silvery ones. So that's a really pretty mix. I'm liking the blues, I must say. We have some doilies. These are crochet doilies and there's 3 of them. That one's got a little bit bent, but it'll flatten back out. So this is a double layer, kind of like a flower. Then we have this one, which is more like a traditional doily look, and then a small flower, which actually matches very well with this big flower. You could even layer it together to make a 3-layer flower if you wanted. And then the last thing in the kit is the dies, and we have 5, I think it was 5 dies this time. 1, 2, 3, 6 dies. And they're all buttons. This one is like a flower, which is kind of similar design to the crocheted flower. There's a little simpler flower die. There are some very simple, just normal, I guess you would say normal buttons. One with 2 holes and one with 4. This one is like, it has like shine lines almost, I guess. And then there's this kind of long oblong, would you say is oblong? A kind of longer button anyway. Mine has some sticky stuff on the back, but that'll just rub off. It's like a glue dot and rubs off very easily, so that's nothing to worry about. And that's everything in the kit. It doesn't quite fit in frame. I need to find some way of having my camera higher up, I think. So it's a lovely kit, as always. I do like the blue paper and blue ribbon and these sequins, but there's lots of bright colours throughout the papers and the stickers. You can kind of tone it back a bit with the less intense colours from the Nouveau Drop and the Lawnform pattern paper. I'm definitely looking forward to having a play with this stamp set. I've already had one idea for a maybe slightly different way to use that. I need to have a play and see how that works out. But in any case, I'm looking forward to putting them together and colouring them, because I do enjoy colouring up images, as you will know if you watch my channel. I do quite a lot of colouring. And I'm also looking forward to playing with the stencil and doing some ink blending. And try and come up with some interesting ways to use these negative pieces as well. Last I checked, this kit is still available. So if you want to order it and you don't already have a subscription, there is a link down in the description box below. It's an affiliate link, which means if you place an order, I will get a kickback, I will get a percentage back. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps to support my work and helps me be able to keep crafting, so that would be very much appreciated if you want to use my affiliate link to place your order, but of course you don't have to. And if you subscribe, as I said earlier, subscribers get to add any add-ons they want from the shop. You can order those anytime before the kit ships, and they will be added into your kit, and there will be no extra shipping cost at all. It will all be included in the cost of shipping your kit. So that's a really good deal if you are a subscriber. You can also, if you want it sooner, there is an option where you can just say, please send it sooner. So yeah, that's the kit. I will have my 10 cards video coming hopefully in the next couple of weeks. I wanted to have it ready for the end of next week, but I'm going to be out of the country at a wedding, and I don't know if I will have it done in time, but we shall see. But if you subscribe to my channel, you will be able to see it when it's up, and also if you click the notification button, which looks like a bell, you'll be notified when I put my videos up, so you'll be able to come back and see that one and see what I've done with the kit. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and there are some more videos here you may be interested in showing. I will put a link to some of my 10 card videos with other kits so that you can see what kinds of things you can do with the kits. I'd love to hear from you in the comments if you have any questions about the kits or anything. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!